In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text wiggle in Wix. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor and find the text you want to make wiggle. If you don't already have it added to your Wix website, go ahead and add it. As you can see in my screen right here, this is going to be the text I'm going to be using. So what you want to do is click on it to highlight the text, and then either above or below the text, a bunch of different options are going to appear. Now, the option you want to click on is this animation option right here. It's also a button, and then from here close entrance and head over to loop, because this is the kind of animation effect where the wiggling option is available. As you can see, it is right here. So if you click on it and play it, this is what the wiggling animation will look like by default. If you don't like that, you can go ahead and customize it by pressing this big blue button right here. And then from here, you can change the motion style. If you want it to be gentle, keep it gentle. If you want to be a little bit more intense, you could choose either moderate or intense. And then the duration of the wiggling, you could make it longer, which will make the wiggle slower, or you can make it shorter, which will make the wiggle faster. Now, I don't want there to be any delay, meaning that the text will constantly continue to wiggle for as long as somebody is previewing it on the website. So yeah, once you're happy with the changes, go ahead and close this window and it will automatically save. Then let's go ahead and preview and see what the wiggling text looks like right now. As you can see, it is quite intense and quite extreme, so you probably don't want that if you want people to be able to read it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text wiggle in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.